The 2025 Toyota Sera concept, which first appeared in fan-made renderings, is a fresh take on the legendary Sera from the 90s, fusing future features with more nostalgic styling. Even though Toyota hasn't said anything about bringing back the Sera moniker, this concept car shows how popular the original was and suggests that it could be revived in the modern car market. With a more aerodynamic profile and sharper lines, the 2025 Sera concept is a two-door coupe that harkens back to the original Sera's form. The design language combines parts of the past and the future, with modern twists on classic details like pop-up headlights and unique details like butterfly doors that pay homage to the original model. It is believed that the 2025 Sera concept will adhere to Toyota's dedication to environmentally friendly transportation by using a completely electric drivetrain. The idea's focus on electric propulsion implies a range of more than 250 miles and the possibility of quick recharge capabilities. However, precise information regarding the powertrain is still up for debate. Current movements toward environmentally friendly transportation options are reflected in this emphasis on electric technology, which is a substantial departure from Sera's initial internal combustion engine. There will be a plethora of cutting-edge technical components in the 2025 Sera Idea 2. As far as we can tell, these will include a state-of-the-art infotainment system, a full suite of driver aid technologies, and an autonomous driving system. These advancements are made to attract today's buyers who are looking for a car that combines modern technology with flair and performance. An intriguing picture of the beloved Sera updated for the modern day is presented by the 2025 Toyota Sera concept, which is still the brainchild of car aficionados. The concept could appeal to both tech-savvy consumers and nostalgic lovers because it combines retro aesthetics with modern design and technology. It embodies an innovative strategy for rethinking vintage cars for the future, fusing the allure of vintage styles with contemporary technology. It must be emphasized that the 2025 Toyota Sera Idea is exclusively a fan-made fabrication and does not reflect any official intentions from Toyota. Reviving the Sera nameplate is still only a notion, not a confirmed project, and the corporation has spoken nothing about it.